Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on TEXTLINE. Now TEXTLINE is for business texting software. It's a business texting software built for teams. It is the most secure business texting platform for modern customer support, sales, marketing and logistics teams. You can try for free. No credit card required. You want to see how TEXTLINE transforms communication? It uses this is the video on how it does it. You can watch it on YouTube here. So what it does is makes business personal and conversational. Business texting is a fast, friendly, and convenient two-way communication channel that drives results. You can be on a preferred channel, scale communication, work as a team, and text with confidence. By thousands of top brands, business texting solution for enterprise teams. You get customer support and success, sales, operations, marketing. You can view plans and price over here. How does it work? It connects, that is, get a new phone number or text enable an existing one. Make sure that number appropriately. The next thing you do is to configure. For each department, invite colleagues and import contact. The next thing is to engage. Text your contacts, personalized with variable feeds, emojis, or photos. Next is collaborate. Work as a team to manage text conversations on their multi-user platform. And last, optimize. Streamline workflows with automation and improve by analyzing actionable data. So TEXTLINE is unmatched. It's unmatched when it comes to security and compliance. Takes home the gold. So you get results from happy TEXTLINE customers. You can see them. 81% of them got a boost in customer response rate. 15% got an increase in revenue. 28% got lead conversion rate achieved. So these are the results you should expect. So this is another testimony. And also integrates with ease. You can integrate seamlessly with the world's best software so that you don't have to wait to start texting. You can see them here. So many great ones you can integrate with. So if you are ready, click on Start a Demo. And communicate better with a top-rated SMS platform. Learn what kind of companies picked it over the competitors and love using it to communicate with their customers daily. You can see all the achievements. So TEXTLINE is a powerful business texting feature that helps you scale. Get max texting unified in inbox, two-way texting, SMS, surveys, group texting, text templates, get a catalog of canned responses with a call shortcut so you don't have to type the same thing repeatedly. Automation, set up auto replies, schedule messages in advance, or automate your texting workflow. Get built-in metrics to track critical KPIs and monitor team performance. You can browse other features here. SMS solution for unique businesses, enterprises, healthcare, education, hospitality, dispatch and logistics technology. If you know what industry you belong to, it works for you. So these are the resources from the blog. You can check them out. You can visit the blog. You also earn commission for referral. When you become an affiliate partner, you get paid for each customer you bring to TEXTLINE. You earn a 20% recurring commission. So what are you waiting for? Decide today. If you have any questions, you can text them or contact them.